So the dream is happening inside this here van. We got freaking cakes, yo. Choco chip. Are you kidding me? Buenos dias, Bibi.
Buenos dias, mi amor.
English?
¿No traerás un machete o un cuchillo que nos prestes?
Oh.
¿No traes? No.
Sorry.
Okay.
Darn.
Ok. Gracias,
Yes.
Como que ahí estamos,
¿Cómo estás? Oh. I thought that was good evening. Amigo came over and asked for a hatchet to chop some wood, and I totally butchered some Spanish, dude. When I thought I was saying like, oh, like good afternoon or like something, I said, ¿Cómo estás? As you can see, we're out here in the freaking Rockies, boys. We are having us our coffee, all sorts of friendly dogs running around. So we are in the state of Durango, Mexico, and we are headed to Sayulita. This is where we're gonna wait for Nick. So, in case you guys have been wondering about Nick, we can check in on Nick because we have a Nick cam.
Let's check on it.
Let's check on Nick right now.
Hey, what's up? I'm on the vlog full time. This is the Nick Cam. I crossed back into Texas to grab my title that I need to verify my registration, and then from there I'm gonna stamp it at the immigration place, cross the border, get my sticker for my car, and meet up with them somewhere. So I'm gonna try to find a skate park, find some more cool stuff in Laredo, Texas. That's my part of the vlog. Over and out. Well, that's the park. I'm gonna see if I can learn tail slides today and then show you guys. Bam!
He's free. Riley, come here. Riley. Riley, come on, bud.
Riley's
Come
got
here.
something stuck to his
Come here,
butt.
Riley.
Oh my god, he's freaking out, dude.
Oh,
He's spinning in circles. Yeah, guys, this spot is absolutely mind-blowing right now. You can only get this in Mexico, dude. These trees are humongous and just like twisting. I mean, look at that. So we're only down here because of Prickle Butt, dude.
thanks, Prickle Butt.
We had our lunch in the hammock. We started to take a walk, and Riley freaking got a stick stuck to his butt, and he was freaking out, dude. So he sent us down here. So thanks, Prickle Butt. All right, guys. So check this out. There's like this hole in the rock up there. I'm like dying to go out there and see what that's about. But I know that that's really steep right there. So I'm just gonna have to feel it out. All right, babe. You're in charge of this. And I'm in charge of shredding the mountain. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my God. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. What up? I can hear everything up here. Yeehaw! It's so dry in here. Whoa, really gnarly in here. Really gnarly in here. Oh my God. Being up here is like having headphones on with like a high frequency microphone, just like I can hear everything. Peace out, Super Sick Cave. You changed my life. So we're about to take full advantage of this river right here, and we're going swimming. Oh, how cool was that spot we found though, walking? Oh my gosh. The trees were massive. It's just like stuff you can only see if you drive like a maniac all the way to Mexico, dude. We are off to bed, and we hope that Nick makes it. Should I tell them he already made it?
Yeah, you already made it.
Yeah, Nick made it. Nick is here. Nick is tired, and so are we. So we're going to bed, and we are stoked for the morning. We are stoked to start driving to the coast, and tomorrow we will be at the beach. So we got a heavy drive ahead of us, another 8 hours. We're on the search for waves, and we're gonna find waves. So it is on. Good night. See you in the morning. You. It's Nick out in the wild. He made it, guys.
Do you like always getting a tired face? Because you guys are like mostly always tired face, like.
Yeah. Uh huh.
This is it right here.
This is it, dude. Zoomed in so far, you don't even know. Good morning, friends of the vlog. We're gonna start this morning off with a little fire action to celebrate Nick making it. Good morning, BB. Solo car living in Mexico, dog.
Hash scramble.
Straight up, dude. Yes. See? See.
Oh yes.
YouTube. We're going swimming, amigos. I'll do it. See. The amigos are a little cold. For the dream, dude. Other way, other way. Yeah. Yeah. See. Shit. Dude, the amigos are sick! They are sick, Riley! Little swim sesh, dude. Hey! Nick's inner instructor coming out right now. Yeah!
Right.
Sí.
YouTube.
Sí.
Facebook también.
Facebook? No.
No, puro YouTube.
YouTube, Instagram?
Instagram? Instagram.
YouTube? You see? Subscribe? How do you say that?
¿Van a hacer un meme? ¿No?
Sí.
¿Un meme?
Sí.
We said goodbye to the amigos and headed to Sayulita. It was smooth sailing on the road until we hit a mechanical issue that put us back to get there until 2 a.m. Okay, the scenario right now is we are in Mexico, obviously, and no one speaks English. Pretty much.
No hablo inglés.
Yes, see. And we have a blown out, like turbo, like radiator, like kind of intake style hose. And it's a very specific hose. So we had an amigo try to help us at a garage next to a gas station. And his idea was to cut the hose and try to fix the blown out section of the hose. And it actually made the hose too short. So we basically had to pay him to leave and stop messing with it, which, you know, thank you, like he meant well, but it kind of made our situation a little worse. But we made it to an AutoZone. Luckily we were in Durango, where there was an AutoZone like 10 minutes away. So we kind of puttered down here to AutoZone, and we got super nice amigo, super smart guy helping us get some kind of hose that will hopefully work. So we'll see what we can find.
Okay, well, the guy at AutoZone basically just put the hose on a little tighter.
Well, he, you know, put the hose on as far up as he could. So I guess we have like more time before the hose is gonna slip off again, essentially.
He didn't have the correct hose. He
Yeah.
didn't have anything that would work for us,
So we have like almost 8 hours to go.
and then hopefully get to Sayulita, where we have some contacts of people that we know, or people who know people that we know, so hopefully we'll be able to get the hose that we need somehow. There's also a Mercedes dealership close to there, so hopefully we can just get there. We are maybe coming out of the mountains a little bit, would you say? Maybe a little bit. We just really want to get to Sayulita, where we have some contacts there and can try to get this issue fixed. We don't really want to stop again. And it's kind of scary. As stressed as I am, my anxiety, I really just want to let my anxiety take over right now and just freak out a little bit. Even though it's not that big of a deal, it's scary because I don't want to be stuck here. As stressful as it is to be having engine issues and to be kind of worried to be stuck somewhere in Mexico where we don't speak the language or whatever, there's something that I keep telling myself that I read, and it's just that whatever situation is happening right now is the best possible situation for me to be in right now. So I remind myself that while it sucked that Nick couldn't come with us and we had to leave Nick and we were so stressed and is he gonna make it, and it was so scary to do it alone, but what we got out of it was an awesome campsite, and we met some really nice locals, and we felt really, really good about it. So I just keep telling myself that there's a reason for this delay, for why it's happening, and that something good will come out of it. So, there you go. There's always something good that can come out of it, and just remember that no matter how crappy the situation, it's the best thing that could have happened.
We just pulled off and it's straight up Jurassic Park out here, dude. Oh my god. Look at this right here, dude.
Look how far it's falling though. It's like such a small waterfall, but it's falling so far.
Yeah, there's this waterfall. Look at that, dude. So sick. This is the craziest pull-off I've ever been at in my entire life. Probably will be the craziest pull-off that I've ever been at for the rest of my life.
Thanks, Riley, for freaking out in the car, so we had to stop.
Guys, we made it. Oh. We freaking made it. We freaking made it, dude. We got here at 2 a.m. last night, yesterday morning. And
This morning.
Yeah, this morning. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And honestly, it was the most savage drive of all time, dude. How was that drive, dog?
I was really, really tired.
Yeah, all worth it though.
Those trucks, man.
Oh my god.
And you with your hose, like stressing the whole time.
Dude, heavy stuff. But it was all worth it. We spent the day here today, chilling. We uploaded the vlog from a couple days ago of us crossing the border, and we've just been chilling today, like slowing down because it was a heavy drive, and just enjoying our time here. And we will be here for a while, so stoked. Check out the sunset.